Hi, this is Ingrid from Quiltessential Co in St. Albert, and we're going to be doing our August block of the month today. Just before we get started, I wanted to show you something lovely. This beautiful quilt here is from a Jaybirds quilting book called Quilts for Baby and Beyond, and this was made by Ursula, and Keith custom quilted it. You can't see all of this from the distance that you're at, but there's all kinds of stars and clouds in the background, and he designed a lovely spiral pattern to go in here. So if you need anything quilted, you know where to call. And also, some of you have the super Sidekick ruler, so you might want to think about using the book for projects in the future. But they're really cool projects. And now we're going to go cut our block of the month. So now we're going to cut out for our block. We've got 2 big squares out of A, and exactly the same 2 squares out of C, actually. And then B and D are the rectangles. And then we have E, F, and G. So if you stack these together, these 2 together, these 2 together, these 2 together, you can cut them a little bit faster. And now we're going to sew. So start with step 1 on your ruler and put it on the fold. Now I'm cutting A. And you're going to be cutting all of the A's, same way, like this. And you will cut the C's exactly the same way also, all with step 1 on the fold. I won't cut this one but you still have to do it yourself. And then we're going to be doing our B's and our D's, and you're using step 2 of your ruler. Line up step 2, these are stacked together. And so when you cut these, don't forget to give them a flip and turn around and clip off the little corner. It makes it so much easier when you sew. So clip off the corner, and you're going to do the same thing with your D. And now I'm going to go sew. So after you've sewn your pieces, you'll have an A with B and you'll have a C with D. You are going to trim them with trim 1 and trim 2 like regular. So make sure you always line up your piece nice and good in the point, and don't cut around yourself like I am. And then trim 2. Line it up carefully. Once you've done that, you are then going to take the next piece. So this is your A block. So on the point side, you're going to find F. So here's F. You're going to line this up here. And with your folded corner clipper, you are going to put that on your F. Cut that across, sew, and flip that back. When you trim up your other one, after this is trimmed, don't forget, turn it around. You're not doing it on the pointy end. Onto your C, you are going to be putting your E and cutting and putting it on this end. So A will be on the pointy end, and your C will be on the fat end. This one will then be finished. On your A, B, F, you are going to add your little G, and again, use your little trim tool, put that right on your block, trim that off, and this one is going to get an extra piece added onto here. So only on this one. And then you assemble it as I've shown you in the block. So the block that we made today will be shown at the end of this video. And if you found this video useful, please leave us a like and click subscribe for future content. And this has been Ingrid from Quiltessential Co. And thanks for sewing with me today, and we'll see you again soon.